Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming which Facebook account and devices you'll update. This matters because keys are device-specific. Once done, back up existing key material and export any session logs so you can restore if needed. Next, enable developer or debug logging to capture handshake failures. This gives actionable error codes. Do these steps now. They prevent data loss and speed diagnosis. Make sure you have admin access on all devices and note timestamps for when you reproduce the problem. You'll now force a clean key exchange. Revoke old sessions and request fresh key pairs from each device so you eliminate corrupted material. Once initiated, verify that all devices support the same protocol version and cipher suites. Mismatches block negotiation. Also perform verified contact code comparisons or QR scans to bootstrap trust. This prevents man-in-the-middle attacks. As you proceed, watch the debug logs for handshake and signature errors. Those clues tell you whether the issue is key. To finish, verify messages deliver and decrypt on every device. Send test messages with attachments and check for integrity. If problems persist, first confirm clock synchronization across devices. Timing often breaks signatures. Then try reinstalling the Facebook client and, if needed, restore backed-up keys to a fresh install. Make sure to capture full debug logs and error codes immediately. That single troubleshooting tip accelerates remote support and bug reports. If you need, repeat the rekey step after each change to isolate the cause.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.